today with Nina. And it is St. Patrick's Day, and you know what that means? I don't! In honor of St. Patrick's Day, and we are going to do a little something special. I don't know. She has no idea what it is. For those of you who know, Grace Helbig and Mamrie Hart, every year on St. Patrick's Day, they shotgun beers. And today, we are not going to shotgun beers. We are going to instead shotgun this. Not sponsored, it's ginger ale though. Pretty sure you know what brand it is.
It's the good brand.
Yes, it is.
I don't even live there.
Okay, are you ready? Okay, so take this.
How does one?
I will tell you. So, first you retilt it so there's a little bit of carbonation, you know? Okay, but it might be too much, but
I'm so scared right now. I'm genuinely afraid.
So, you hit, suck, and you have to open it up, and you have to drink it the fastest.
So, you hit it? Wait. You hit it? No. Stab, suck, open. Wait, where's the opening? I'm getting in ready position. Oh, dude, I'm not ready. I'm not ready. I wasn't prepared for this.
Okay, I'm ready. I'm ready.
Wait, I'm just gonna throw the keys on the ground immediately.
2, 3.
I can't open it! I can't open it! Help me, I'm dying.
Ah, I'm wet. What? My face is so.
My sleeve!
I just realized I hate soda in my face.
It's in my sleeve. I'm not even done yet. I can't do that. How do you do this with beer?
I don't know.
It's like all over your face. Oh my god. It's literally.
Look at my
Saleena,
my eye.
Your hair looks like you just took a shower. I'm still not done.
My arm is. It went all the way into my sleeve.
I like somehow managed to like not get it on my face somehow. I was like
looking right
like,
at it.
way over here. I can't wait to see the slow-mo of us puncturing it.
Or the sun. My eyes.
I finished.
Alright, so I hope you liked watching this.
You are so wet.
It's so sticky.
You're gross.
Is it in your hair?
Is it?
It's in my hair too.
It's in yours. You look wet.
So
I can't.
I hope you enjoyed this video.
No.
Because I definitely had a lot of fun. How do people do this with beer?
That's painful. That's painful with soda.
My eyes are sticky.
Your eyes are like the insides?
Anyway, thanks for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, and
don't do this.
I say you try this out. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed. Again, like, comment, rate. That's the same as liking, subscribe. We will see you next time. We did the baby food challenge. If It was a great experience. I met a new person. Her name is Erin. And we had never met before, and we just decided to do the baby food challenge together.
It was good.
The three of us, and it was great. Me being a veteran, it wasn't that bad, but yeah.
The cans of shame.
The cans of shame. So yeah, if you like, that video will be up soon. It'll be linked in the down bar. Down
I have an idea.
there. And yeah, check it out. And
I have an idea. To take that tire and slide on ice.
I don't think that will work.
Why not?
Bye.
Bye.